Welcome students. Today we are going to see the primary economic activities. Primary economic activities are such activities in which man has directly come into contact with the nature and he is getting the goods, products which he used to fulfill his basic needs, food, clothing and shelter. Now, in nature, what are these activities? The first activity, that is hunting. Before the revolution of agriculture, before the knowledge of agriculture, man who was wandering from one place to another in search of food, that time he was killing the animal and he was fulfilling his need food. In equatorial areas, due to thick evergreen forest, the animals are very less, especially only the animals who are living on the trees are there. But in temperate regions, grasslands and the deciduous types of forest, so in these areas, animals, different types of animals like omnivores, herbivores, carnivores are there. So hunting was mainly practiced in these areas as well. In these areas the climate was favorable and so man was prefer to live there. In present area, because of hunting, the many important species are extinct and so by law hunting is not allowed. But in equatorial areas and many tribal people are still practicing the hunting for the survival. In these categories, the Bushmen in Kalahari Desert in South Africa, Pygmies in equatorial areas, Santhals in Andaman Nicobar Islands, and Jaravas in Ongs. Ongs is also in the African areas. These are some of the tribal communities are still practicing hunting for the survival. As we know that Kalahari Desert or the Namib Desert, these are the even Sahara Desert, these are the areas where no agriculture, no animals and so no agriculture and so the people only can depend on the huntings. Pygmies in equatorial areas, because it is evergreen thick forest and so only the hunting can be practiced and so man is practicing hunting for the survival. Again, Santhals in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. On the islands, the agriculture is not possible and so these tribal communities, these all are tribal communities, they are still practicing hunting for the survival. Thank you.